have another eye makeup tutorial for you all. So, my Ulta, I hate them so much. I went to Ulta the other day just for one thing, for one lipstick. It's Amethyst by NYX. It's one of the NYX Liquid Suede lipsticks, and it's just like the perfect purple color. And walk in there, I'm like, oh, they're out of my lipstick. Let me look around and see if I can find another purple. Walking around the store, and came across this whole thing. Why'd you do this to me, Morphe? Why'd you do this to me, Ulta? Like, really? But I had debated about buying this palette when it first released. And, like, my classmate, shout out to Shay, she really was the one who talked me into getting it. Like, she ordered it. She loves it. Like, it's, I just feel like these colors are just perfect neutrals. And at first, I really debated buying this because I have the Modern Renaissance palette. And, yeah, it's like the warm tone neutrals and stuff in that palette. And this one is like, it has some of those too. But I just felt like it's a bigger color selection too. So, yeah, today I'm going to play in this. So, yeah, I haven't even used it yet. I still have the plastic on. I'm going to just give you guys like a close-up view of it. Just so you can see how pretty those shadows are. I don't know if it's clear. But yeah. So yeah, let's just get right into this tutorial. So first I'm just going to do like I always do like a burgundy in the crease. So I think I'm going to go with this color. I think it's Heat. It's that one right there. And I'm just going to put that in my crease. Oh my gosh, they're so pigmented. Can y'all see that? Like, that's just one little dab into the palette. Dab. The only thing I wish is that these Morphe palettes had like a big mirror or something. Like this Urban Decay palette, this big mirror. Like it's, I just use it for my tutorials. But yeah. So I'm just, oh. Do y'all see that? Do you see that? Ooh. Morphe is about to get me in a lot of trouble. They have like almost all of their big palettes there. The Jaclyn Hill palette, which I almost bought that one too. And the lady at the counter was like, oh yeah, if you buy it, it's double points and blah blah blah. I'm just like, woman, I didn't come in here for this. Shadows are just really pigmented. Like, it's overdone on this eye because I honestly picked up too much of the color. So yeah, this is going to be my crease color for today. For my, let's see, Outer V, I think I'm going to go with this color Dust, which is the one right here below my nail. It's just like a brown. And there I go again with the too much excess, and I'm just going to put that in my outer V and also blend it into the crease to darken it up. Show today is going to be the color Polished. That's just this shimmery, like pink mauve color. And I'm just going to take my shadow brush and dip into that. Ooh, you guys. Love it. I feel like I need to spray my brush though. It's not as, oh, never mind. I was going to say it's not as intense as I wanted it to be, but it's working. I'm also going to use the color called Pear, which is just like a gold color, and I'm going to like put it like in the inner corner and also like blend it up to the inner part of my eyelid, if that's the correct way to say it. I kind of did this with Trophy Wife. Insert picture here. Like I did a green eyeshadow and I put Trophy Wife at the beginning. It looks so good. So yeah, putting that in my inner corner. And also bringing it up. Look so far. I'm just gonna get my blending brush and blend everything together. Don't want no harsh lines. And I think I'm gonna go back into that brown color to deepen up the crease just a little bit. Every time I think I'm gonna do like a warm colored look, nope. I mean, it is warm, but I always just darken it up. So yeah, that's the eyes, and I'm gonna go and apply my mascara. I think I'm gonna do lashes today too, so pop back in when I'm done with that. Okay, so I'm back. I cleaned up the eyes, put on my lashes. I used Broadway Lashes. They're only like $2 at the local beauty supply store, and I used number 82 in black, and these are just nice and fluttery. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what other eyeshadow looks you like to see. I'm really excited about this palette, although it is very neutral. I'm going to try to switch it up a little bit. But yeah, thanks for watching.